Welcome to NXBTO new video, and in this video we're going to talk about the BTC price and basically try to establish if there is a best time to actually invest in Bitcoin or to buy Bitcoin. In our last video, we mentioned that we have this current event happening that started on the 10th of November 2022, and that will be finishing on the 20th of May 2023. We also highlighted the fact that Bitcoin must hold our 29 level in order to move higher and reach our next Fibonacci level of 36,000 and possibly 46,000. And we would like to know as well if this is going to happen before these dates. So, is there any best time to be invested in Bitcoin or to buy Bitcoin? We would like to show you these charts, which is again trying to find correlation between the US dollar index, which is DXY, and the price of Bitcoin. We already highlighted the specific pattern that shows that if every time the US dollar index or DXY loses strength, of course, this gives Bitcoin a lot of strength. They are inversely correlated. So every time the dollar strength goes down and this indicator turns red, the price of Bitcoin tends to pump. Not only that, is that when the dollar loses strength and start retesting this downward trend line, it shows that that Bitcoin might be, the bull run might be finishing in this case. So the first time it touched it, Bitcoin saw resistance. The second time it touched it, Bitcoin saw the top, which was the 2020 top. Not 2020 top, it was 2017 top bull market, which was around 20,000 USD. And if we follow the last time that this pattern happened was exactly after the pandemics, Bitcoin started, USD index started losing support or losing strength, lost this support level. The indicator showed red. Bitcoin went on a massive bull run. That finished exactly where? Exactly when the DXY retested the downward trend line. As soon as we touched, it was actually the top of the bull market. Although we had a double top, this indicator showed that this was already the top before the double top. After this event, of course, Bitcoin went on a bear market until recently. As we can see, the US dollar index started to show the same weakness as in previous, or on this previous pattern, which it broke, started finding resistance, broke, the indicator started showing red, and Bitcoin finally found support at the bottom of the channel and start reversing to the upside, conquering the top of our channel, and now it's trying to establish support at our 29 level. We believe that if Bitcoin is able to hold 29,000 level and start breaking even before this event or after this event, we expect the US dollar index to lose this support, which is around 100. Losing support at this area will prompt Bitcoin to actually conquer 29,000, 36,000, possibly 46,000, just to have a confirmation as it did on the previous occasion. So, by the moment the USD dollar index breaks this zone and Bitcoin start pumping, even after or before the event, we might experience, this bull trend to continue. This bull trend might continue. We don't know exactly where the top is going to be, but we know that Bitcoin can reach the level of 36,000, the 46,000 or 59,000. In this case, 59,000 would be like a triple top. But we know in advance that the US dollar index will have to start retesting. Either when it breaks support and come back again and start retesting this level, that would signal that the top or a massive resistance might be in place. Of course, we would like to go back to this chart that we mentioned on our last video. We're expecting the 50 line to cross below the 50-day moving average, to cross below the 200-day moving average. We're expecting the DXY divided by BTC USD, this line, the blue line, to start coming down. Start coming down and form at least the triple top. We're going to be sitting around this area. If we see the dollar index losing this support, Bitcoin start to going up and conquering our next Fibonacci level, we expect this line of course to be around this area, started coming down. And the third important indicator that needs to give us another to confirm this signal is the RSI, the orange line, to come and test or touch the 18.69 level to actually confirm the bull trend, like it did in previous occasion, across a 50-day below the 200-day moving average. With a touch, we had this bull run. The cross of 50-day moving average below the 200-day moving average, with a touch, the other side touching this level, the green line, we saw the massive bull run. Again, we expect after the bull run is about to finish, we're going to see this bull line retesting the 50 or going above it. In this case, going above it is a bad sign. It's a sign that the top is seen. Seeing this bull line going above the 200-day, the 50-day moving average is a sign that the top is seen. The same thing is likely to happen here and gives a good indication that the bull market is about to finish, or at least we're going to have a huge change on the trend. So that's it for today, guys. We hope you liked the video, and we expect you, of course, to like and subscribe for more. This is our third video, and we'd like to thank you in advance and tell you that yes, it's possible to find the best time to buy Bitcoin based on this chart. We can see that there is a best time to buy Bitcoin or to be invested in Bitcoin. So basically, after losing support, Bitcoin is likely to pump and pump. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Cheers.